Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. So scholars, today we are going to start with a new chapter. Chapter number 10. And the name of the chapter is Neighborhood Services. Scholars, in your locality, there must be a number of houses around your house. The families living in those houses are your neighbors. Houses built next to each other form a neighborhood. Big neighborhoods form cities and towns. Scholars, we can live comfortably in an area which has a well-developed neighborhood. It is so because you need to have a market, bus stand, school, colleges, places of worship, hospital, post office, police station, etc. near your house. So, these are called neighborhood services. They provide a number of useful services which help people to live with safety and comfort. Now, scholars, we will talk about some useful neighborhood services. We all love to go shopping, right? Do you know from where we buy things we need? Yes, it is a market. Scholars, market is a place where we can buy things of our daily needs. Here, fruits, vegetables, groceries, clothes, utensils, stationery, toys, etc. are sold. It has a number of shops. And the person selling things in a shop is called a shopkeeper. Okay, scholars, before moving on with the next topic, next neighborhood service, I would like all of you to open page number 65. Scholars, let's do this exercise given here. Can you match the given hints with their corresponding neighborhood services? So what we have to do in this question is, we have to match the hints that are given here with the corresponding neighborhood services that are given below. Okay, so let's begin with the first one. I need medicines. So when you need medicines, you will go to which shop? We will go to a chemist shop. So we have to match it with chemist shop. Chemist shop is here, like this way. Okay, let's read out the next one now. I need paper, pens, envelopes, etc. So, which shop you will visit? We will visit a stationery shop. Yes. So, stationery shop is here. We have matched it because in a stationery shop, paper, pen, envelope, everything is available. Okay, let's see the third one. I need fresh vegetables. So, you will go to a... Yes, correct. We will go to a greengrocer. Okay, to buy fresh vegetables. Next is, I need a bouquet of flowers. So, which shop you will visit? Correct, we will visit a florist shop. Florist shop is here. Let's match it. Okay, the last one. I need bread, butter, eggs, etc. So, which shop you will visit? Yes, all these things are available in a bakery. So we will go to a bakery shop. So let's match it with bakery. And bakery shop is here. Okay, so this is the way how we can match the given hints with the corresponding neighborhood services. Okay. Okay, scholars. So now let's talk about the other neighborhood services. Okay. How do we reach places from home if we have to go somewhere? So that is a bus stand. A bus shed or stand is the place to wait for catching a bus. Buses stop here and we board them to reach our destination. Like, do you take the bus to reach your school? Right? From your home to school and then from school to home. Next place that we will talk about is school. Scholars, a school is a place for studies. Young children go to a kindergarten or a play school. They learn rhymes and play many games there. They also learn many good habits. Then, children between 5 to 11 years go to a primary school. Here, they learn to read and write. They also learn more about the world. Children who finish their primary school go to secondary school for their higher classes. Then, after that, students who finish higher classes in school go to college or university. Therefore, we should have schools and colleges in our neighborhood. These are some of the useful neighborhood services. Okay. In some neighborhood, we can also find places of worship. A neighborhood has different places of worship. Different people go to different places to pray. Like Hindus go to temple to pray. Muslims go to mosque to pray. Sikh people go to gurudwaras to pray. And Christians go to church to pray. Next neighborhood services which are available in our near places are hospitals. We go to a doctor or hospital when we are sick or injured. The doctor gives us treatment and medicines for our sickness or injury. Sometimes we need to get admitted to a hospital. So, both doctors and nurses look after us in the hospital till we are well again. Next neighborhood services, post office. Scholars, we use post office for sending letters and parcels. A letter is posted in a post office. The letter then goes to the post office where all the letters are collected and sorted. Then the letter is sent to the city or the particular village mentioned in the address written on it. And it is delivered by the postman. Next neighborhood services that we are going to talk about is police station. Scholars, police station is the place where we go to seek help against any crime. The policeman keeps us safe by maintaining law and order in the neighborhood. He catches thieves and protect us. Scholars, a neighborhood may also have a number of other places like a bank where we can keep our money safe, restaurants where we can go with our family members to enjoy lunch or dinner, and a cinema hall. So scholars, neighborhood services are very important for living an easy and safe life. So here we come to the end of chapter number 10. Now it's time to do a quick recap of what we have studied in this chapter till now. Okay, so the first point to remember is houses built close to each other form a neighborhood. Second point to remember is a neighborhood provides useful services that make life safe and comfortable. Third point to remember is we buy different things from the market. Fourth point to remember is we wait for the bus at the bus shed or stand. Fifth important point to remember is a school helps us to gain knowledge. Sixth point to remember is a neighborhood has different places of worship. Seventh point to remember is a doctor treats sick and injured people. Eighth point to remember is we send letters, money and parcels through the post office. And the last point to remember is the police protect us and keep us safe. So scholars, the worksheet and assignment related to this chapter is given in the link in the description box. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.